Right now I'm going to install the coil. This will fit the 85 and 86 250R. I believe it's for the Trex 250R because it's long. The original coil for the 85-86 is shorter, but I'm going to use it anyhow because it'll work. I don't care much for that little short coil that comes across here. This will be easier to put on and off the spark plug. Rubber grommet slides onto this tab. And then the end cap pops onto the spark plug. Got a green wire and a black wire. Pops on here. That's pretty much all there is to it. The grommet holds the coil to the frame.